Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kia J, and if you're not familiar with me, I make videos about entrepreneurship, luxury hauls. So in today's video, I have something. Are you gonna snore through the whole video, little boy? I have something a little bit different. We have a nursery tour. So I had a baby. I took some time off of YouTube to really focus on the birth of my son as well as my pregnancy. So I'm so happy to be back to show you guys my nursery because I made a video on Instagram and I got so many questions about my nursery, so I figured I'd do a full tour on my nursery. So there was a lot of love put in this nursery. Me, my husband, Summer, we did so much work with this nursery, as well as family and friends who came by and helped out. So I'll get right into the video and show you guys the nursery. So before we get into today's video, I want to thank Dosier for sponsoring today's video. Dosier makes the best perfumes. I have a huge Dosier collection, and if you're like me, a mom, you know that when you become pregnant, all of your money goes to making sure your baby has everything you need, and sometimes we do sacrifice a little self-care. That's why I love Dosier, because you can purchase luxury designer dupe perfume at an affordable price. So today I'm wearing Fruity Brown Sugar, which is inspired by YSL Mon Paris. It smells absolutely amazing, and I don't have to break the bank for perfume that I love. So I'll leave the link down below along with my code so you can check out Dosier as well. Alright, so let's get into my favorite part of the nursery. I'm not even gonna hold you guys up. My favorite part of the nursery, which is this side of the nursery. So over here we have a sign that has his name. His name is Aaron Jr. and we call him AJ for short. So I did purchase this off of Etsy. I will leave the link down to this below, as well as everything else. Then we have these beautiful panel walls, y'all. These panel walls were definitely a project of love. I want to thank All Things Tasha from Instagram. She is the one who designed and did these. She flew all the way out from California to do these walls, and she actually does travel to do these walls. So I believe she travels to Georgia, California, Texas, and Arizona. So if you live in any of those states and you want a panel wall design, definitely hit her up on Instagram, because this really made the nursery look so beautiful, and I'm so happy with how it came out. I also leave the link down below for the color of the wall as well. When we did this nursery, me, my husband, and Summer, which is my daughter, we all went to the store, picked out colors that we wanted to use, put swatches on the wall, and this is the one that we decided on, and I love it. I love the color green for this nursery. I think this color is so beautiful. Y'all, I will put him in his crib, but he just loves being in this baby carrier. This is where he is most content, so I'm gonna leave him in here for now to do the video. But here is the crib, y'all. When I was looking for cribs, I didn't know which crib that I was going to get, but I knew that I wanted a really nice crib. So my friend sent me this crib on Instagram. I love it so much. This crib is from Pottery Barn Kids. And if you're thinking about getting this crib, I definitely recommend you get it in advance, because it does take some time to come. Luckily, we got it about 2 or 3 weeks after we purchased it. I went to the store, looked at it. I love it. This crib is wood, and then it has this acrylic design on it. It is so beautiful. I love it so much. As you can see, the theme of his room is a safari theme. I didn't want to add like any wallpaper or anything like that, but everything in the room, I wanted to kind of have a safari element. So we went with safari bedding on this, and I really really love the way the crib came out. So over here we have his rocking chair. This rocking chair I got off Amazon. When I was looking for a rocking chair, I wanted to make sure that I had something that was not only cute, because rocking chairs can be bulky, they can look a little old-fashioned, but something that, you know, can transition into different rooms of the house. So I went with this rocking chair. I loved it, and honestly, what I love most about it was the price. Rocking chairs can run you anywhere from $500 and above. This rocking chair cost me, I think it cost me somewhere around $200. So I really love the price of this rocking chair. I found this matching pillow at TJ Maxx, and we just sit here, we cuddle, we nurse. I put him to sleep. This chair has been a lifesaver. I did not have a rocking chair with my daughter, so I'm so glad I went with and got a rocking chair this time around, because it's been so useful. So on this side of the room we have his curtains. I did hang his curtains up high because I just like to hang up curtains high. All the curtains in my house are not only high, but they are also from IKEA. So I did get these curtains from IKEA. They're pretty thick, so you can, and this room gets really hot and gets really cold. So that's why I like these curtains, because you can block out the temperature. And over here I have some books on a bookshelf. These are acrylic bookshelves that I got off of Amazon. And I have a little wicker basket down there. This basket was intended to be used for blankets and then transition into toys later. Pottery Barn Kids has a similar one, but I like this one better because it's bigger, and when I went to Pottery Barn it was so small. I'm like, I can't fit any toys in here. So I'll show you. Over here I do have these canvas prints. The canvas prints, I got those off of Etsy as well. I really like them. They matched the paint color. They matched all the colors to the nursery as well. With this nursery, I wanted to go with green, I wanted to go with brown, and I wanted to go with white. So that is the color scheme of this nursery. I got the frames from IKEA. These are the biggest frames that you can get. I wanted really big frames because at first I was going to put wallpaper right here on the wall, but this actually used to be my old office, so I'll leave the link to my office tour as well. But in my old office I had this beautiful wallpaper, y'all, and when it was time to take it down, it ruined my wall so bad. I'm like, I'm never putting wallpaper on any wall in my house, and it was the peel and stick kind. So once I started getting this nursery ready, I decided no against the wallpaper, and I went with these big prints. So I really love them. They're so beautiful, and they really kind of bring the theme together as well. So here I have a changing table. This actually was a hand-me-down from one of my friends. This thing right here was a hand-me-down, and in this thing you have pretty much, it organizes everything. So it organized the changing part. You can put diapers, you can put wipes. I have my diapers here. I have my heated wipe thing here, which comes in very handy at night so that he's not screaming and yelling when he's getting his diaper change. This is sticking out. But I have this dresser that I got from IKEA. Now, if you're thinking about what type of dresser to get, I definitely recommend this dresser, and the reason why I recommend this dresser is because this is the second time I'm buying this dresser in 9 years. I got the same dresser for my daughter when I had her, and it held up so well. I'm like, it's a no-brainer. I'm just going to get another one for when I have him. So I got him this dresser. I got organizations that you can put inside the dresser, and I got those from IKEA as well. And I really love the convenience of being able to change him up here. This is primarily where we change him at in the house, so I really love it. Okay, so let me show you guys the closet. I put together this closet. I love this closet so much. If you've seen my IKEA pack system, this is the lower version of the closet. So I do have another video where I show you guys my full IKEA pack system, how we built it. But y'all, we did this closet by ourselves. It took about a day to do this closet, but I love the way it came out. all of the closets in my home is big, and this is actually one of the smaller rooms in our house, so we really had to maximize the space in this closet. You know, it came with that general builder grade wire closet, and I was like, no, we got to get rid of that. We got to make space. And this closet was less than $300. My pack system was about, I think, about $2,500. This one was about $300, and it works so well. Here we actually painted the closet because the closet had the agreeable gray in it, so we painted the closet, and we painted it white, and then we put the closet together. We got everything at IKEA. Luckily everything was in stock in the Atlanta IKEA, so we were able to get in everything. So I put shelves in this closet to make sure I had shelving space. Then I have these baskets that luckily I was able to find those baskets at Home Goods. But in the top basket, I just got things that he's not ready for. In the bottom basket, I have things that he's grown out for, that I'll give to a friend or that I'll donate, so that it's not constantly piling up. Then there's some extra drawers. And the thing that I really love about this system, I'll leave the link down below to the system. I think it's called the Odd Rail system. But the thing that I really love about this system is that I can always change it around. So if I want to add more drawers later down the line as he gets bigger, I can do that. Then I have all his clothes hung up. And the clothes are actually, this was actually personalized for me. This was a gift. This was a gift from my baby shower. But everything is personalized by the size. So, and it has the safari theme on it. So I really, really love that. But all of his clothes are organized by size. A lot of them are in his drawer because I still haven't put away everything yet. I got his shoes right here, clothes right here, and on this side I have a hamper. I have extra Pampers and things that he still isn't ready for. So I love the closet so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thumbs up for baby AJ being so good this video. He slept the whole time. He loves this baby carrier, y'all. This is the way that I get him calm. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up to help me with this crazy YouTube algorithm. Make sure you guys give me a follow on Instagram. I post content just like this on my Instagram, but shorter versions. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.